Hi everyone, hope you are doing extremely well. So finally we have a good news from OpenAI that they have introduced their ChatGPT search feature, and here you see that today is 1st November, so October 31st 2024 means the yesterday they have introduced this feature in their ChatGPT. So here previously there was a file upload feature. Now if you see there you will see a new icon which is this search icon, and when you turn on this you can search any things you want, and after that when you press enter it will search over the internet. So previously what happened that when we search anything and then if it doesn't have that on their database, so generally they had the database up to I think 23 September 2023 September, but now if you turn on this icon then you can search over the internet any data. Okay, now there is a thing that you have to understand that you don't have to buy this plus I membership to use this feature, because here I will tell you that how you can access, okay, without any plus membership. Here you can see that ChatGPT can now search the web in a much better way than before. You can get fast, timely answers with links to relevant web resources, which you would have previously needed to go search engine for. So previously what we have done that we go to Google and we search anything, okay, and after that we get some 10 to 12 results, and from that 10 to 12 results we manually search that which is the best result, or we manually find the summary. Okay, but now ChatGPT what will do that they will find that summary, and they will give us that link that we have taken this from this website, and here is a summary. Okay, so this is a better things than Google. So here you see that this is the icon. Now one thing is that how you can access. So here you can see that they have written one thing: all ChatGPT Plus team users as well as ChatGPT waitlist users. So some days ago when I made video on the search GPT, so I told you to register for the search GPT. So here now you see that now the waitlist is now closed. Okay, but there is a one thing, if I show you, here you can see that all these users will get the access today. But if you are a free user, here you see that we will roll out to all free users over the coming months. Okay, so over the coming months they will give the access to this search icon to all other free users. Okay, so don't buy this plus membership now. Wait for 1 month, next month you will get this icon surely. Okay, and now here you can see that these are the best features, like that is designed to get you to a better answer. Okay, so that I already told you that they will make the summary, and it will tell you that this is the result that I found from these resources. Okay, and you can ask question in a more natural, okay, and conversational way. ChatGPT can choose to respond with information from the web. Okay, and here you see that this is the icon, and what you can ask about the weather, you can ask about the stocks also. Okay, so if you ask that what is the Tesla price today, it will tell you that current price also. If you want to get some sports related news, you can also get that. If you want to get some politics news or anything, it will tell you that also. Here you see, and if you want to search that what is the best hotel or best coffee shop in this area, it will tell you that also, and it will tell you the rating also, and all the functionality, and where this hotel is currently in that map, it will show you that also. Okay, and here you see that ChatGPT search promises to better highlight and attribute information from trustworthy news sources, benefiting audiences while expanding the reach of publishers like ourselves who produce premium journalism. Okay, so this is the president of Vox Media who told this, and go straight to the source. Okay, so you don't have to search to 5 to 6 website to find the answer. You will directly get the answer. Here you see that what are the some great ways to fix our backyard. If you search this, So here you see that you will get the result, and on the right hand side you will see the sources. Okay, so from which sources they have collected the data. Okay, so this is very helpful, guys. And how it works, what comes next. Here you see that the search model is a fine-tuned version of GPT-4o post-trained using novel synthetic generation technique, including distilling outputs from OpenAI O1 preview. Okay, so previously they had this model O1 preview, and ChatGPT search leverages third-party search providers as well as content provided directly by our partners, and to provide the information users are looking for. Okay, and here you see that this is the product. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. And how you can access, I already told you. If you don't have this plus membership, then wait for 1 month, you will definitely get that. And also I will notify you that when they will roll out to this roll out this feature to the free members. Okay, and for that, please make sure to subscribe this channel so that you get the notification. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends if you found this video helpful.